What's up, you guys? We just got old Scout here detailed. It was a good time. Oh, it's warm. Got old Scout detailed by Lumpsucker. I'll put an Instagram link in the description. Don't y'all worry about that. Also got a ceramic coating. And I figured long time no video, right? So I figured we'd get a good update video going in here, before I upload next week's moto vlog, which has been pre-recorded by 2 months. Oh man, haven't made any progress on any bikes whatsoever, in case y'all are wondering. It's been just hanging out, I think this road goes out. A bumpity. God, the bike is so clean, y'all would not understand just how clean it is. Mind you, I've been daily in this bad boy for the last couple months. Haven't been clean in 3,000 miles. And now it's all of a sudden clean. Now we're on our way home. We're going to go to the racetrack later. Not the gas station, the actual car track. Had some Wingstop while I was sitting there watching them clean it. Good time. He's a buddy of mine. Does a hell of a good job detailing. I got to wipe it down when I get home just to make sure that it's all good, ready to go. Ooh, should we take Old Granbury all the way to Clinton? I think we might. Oh, that hurt my ass. I've been sitting down too much today. Yeah, we will. Fuck it. Gotta love all of that. I don't have my leathers on today, as you can tell, because it's pretty freaking warm. They're in my backpack, don't you worry. So, definitely taken care of. Not an issue there. Good. Yeah, we're moto vlogging. Oh no, I just cleaned my visor and I got a big old bug splat in the middle on the top. God damn it. Fucking obnoxious. Just cruising. You know how it goes. Fuck it, we'll take the highway. Will we? No, there's a construction zone. Yeah, we'll go that way. I don't know if that side road's closed. Oh, yeah. So clean, so pretty. Such nice weather. Damn it, I should have taken old Granberry. Boog. Skirt. Whew. Yeah, we still recording. That lady's conked out in the passenger seat. This bike hasn't been this clean in so long. It's so shiny, so new. At least it looks new. It looks so good. Oh, we're up. And we're at highway speed. The non-highway zone. Oh well, fucking send it, bruh. Send it, bruh! Andrew sold his bike to Christian. But he still ain't got a Harley. What a fucking nerd. Doesn't need a motorcycle anymore. Gosh. What a fucking nerd. We're cruising. We're headed. Gonna go to his birthday at Colorado. Alright, sorry guys. Phone call, brother-in-law, both the insurance. I couldn't hear him because, you know, I can't hear shit over this bike in my earphones. So, you know, we're riding home. I got a bunch of stuff going, and finally, we're going to build a bearing for it, I've decided, because why the fuck not? We're also going to change the paint. Not much, just a little. We're going to end up doing a gold metallic base with a black metallic on top. So, see how that does. So that's what we're going to do there. It'll look good. The way I've got it planned out. Right after I get the gold painted, roadworthy, we're gonna go get it detailed with my boy Lumpsucker. Link in the description down below. So get that done. Go check out his pages. You'll find Scout getting that getting all of this cleaning all. But the goalie, you know, have done shit to it. You're gonna get 3 videos for the for Tyrone coming up. He's getting antsy to have me do something dirty to him. Just barely this stuff. So I hit him with that good. Oh, thanks, Claire. Yeah, so there's that. Yeah, we're working. I go to work, I come home, I play video games, come back. Should I start streaming again? I'm not sure. Y'all let me know down in the comments. I'm not that good at any of the games I play, but I enjoy playing. We're gonna do away with Freaking Friday altogether. It just logistically it doesn't make sense. Put it together and edit it. It's a nightmare, to say the least, logistically. So, we're going to stick to just Sunday Funday and build videos. Sorry, I got the hiccups. I had hella good stuff. While I was watching old Scout get cleaned. And neutral. Skirt. Visor up. What's up, Mr. Mustang? You ready to get smoked by a motorcycle? I think he's ready to get smoked by a motorcycle. Because that side's going to go. Then I'm going to pop it first. And then send it. Oh, he wasn't even trying. Good thing I won that race. Make sure I got my wallet. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, daddy. Yeah. But we're doing the speeding run too. Shooting along in the way of the speed limit. Fast people don't want to even do the speed limit. Very nice day today, I would say. Had to wear my fucking 3 layers. Fucking ride at the last couple of days. Yeah, you don't have to. A nice change of pace. I just wear my freaking t-shirt and long sleeves and go. Shoots. What else to get y'all on? Yes, I rode these service pad, a fuel fill neck, transmission plug adapter. I gotta weld the dash together with a plastic stapler. I gotta plug in an audio amp because it's falling apart where the connection's falling out. And I think that's about it. I rode Gold Wing. I guess the first couple of videos on the Gold Wing and then that's my goal for tomorrow. I say tomorrow Sunday. I told these on Saturday. Go figure. Or during the middle of the week, you don't know. You know? Oh, motorbiker. Hello, fellow motorbiker. Hey. Ooh, he was on an Indian too, like that. Phone, please charging? Yes, it is. And nobody on my left. Sorry, I'm dude. Tippity boppity poopty, get the fuck out of my loopty. Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to move. Fine then, I'll do it myself. Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to move. Fine then, I'll do it myself. Gosh, some people can't fucking drive. Fuck. By the way, if you're wondering, Texas state law, if you're lounging in the left lane, that's a ticket. You are, and I quote, impeding the flow of traffic. I haven't gotten a ticket yet. I don't have to get a speeding ticket. Oh, that was not fun. He ain't coming after me. Look. Ooh, I see a fellow motorbiker. Hello, fellow motorbiker. He didn't even look over here. What a cock. Probably likes watching the fight get subscribe. Doing a thing. See, I'm not mad at any of these things they're doing. What the law requires us to do is hang out in the right lane, not the left lane. But that's not going to keep them on that left turn. That's anywhere. Go, we're still going to get more in here. Little bits and pieces. Don't make sense. I'm replacing the master cylinder with clutch merge. So I can adjust the scissors. Yeah, look at this piece of work. Oh, you fought the war? Good, get out of the left lane. I figured you understood authority. Fucking idiot. Brakes. Brakes. The skirt. Gas. Off. Cruising again. So, well, you know how it goes. I hope y'all enjoy this video today. Just thank you for watching the YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hold on. I hope you enjoyed this video. You're gonna get 3 endings this time because I don't really care. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to turn on notifications. Don't forget to check out my boy Nick Apollo, which are detailed, just beautiful piece of mechanical art. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.